coffee enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a caffeinated adventure? Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, crafted to perfection right in your own kitchen. No more standing in long lines or shelling out big bucks for your daily fix. What if I told you that barista quality coffee is just a button press away? Today, I am diving deep into the world of ninja coffee makers, the Swiss Army knives of the coffee world. These aren't your grandma's old percolators, folks. I am talking about high-tech brewing machines that can whip up everything from a simple drip coffee to a fancy latte that'll make your local barista jealous. But here's the million-dollar question. With so many options out there, which ninja coffee maker is right for you? Are you a no-frills drip coffee devotee, or do you dream of pulling the perfect espresso shot? Maybe you're somewhere in between, craving variety but intimidated by complex machines. Well, grab your favorite mug and get comfortable, because I am about to count down the top 6 ninja coffee makers. I've put these bad boys through their paces, brewing hundreds of cups to bring you the inside scoop. 6. Ninja CM401 Specialty Coffee Maker. This sleek machine caught my eye with its modern design and promise of cafe-quality drinks at home. After testing it for several weeks, I can confidently say it delivers on that promise. One of the standout features of the CM401 is its versatility. With 4 brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, you can craft everything from a simple cup of joe to a concentrated brew perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. I particularly enjoyed the rich setting for a bolder flavor on sleepy mornings. The fold-away frother is a game changer for latte lovers. It quickly whips up hot or cold milk into silky foam, allowing you to create impressive latte art without any barista training. I found it easy to use and clean, though it did take a few tries to get the perfect consistency. Another feature I appreciated was the removable water reservoir. It made refilling a breeze and allowed for easy cleaning. The machine also comes with a reusable filter, which is great for reducing waste and saving money on paper filters. One minor drawback I noticed was that the carafe doesn't keep coffee hot for very long without the warming plate. However, the specialty brew function more than makes up for this, allowing you to create coffee house-style drinks that rival your local cafe. Overall, the CM401 is a solid choice for coffee enthusiasts who want variety in their daily brew. 5. Ninja CFE 301 Dual Brew Pro 12 Cup Drip Coffee Maker. Moving up to number 5, we have the Ninja CFP 301 Dual Brew Pro. This machine caught my attention with its ability to brew both grounds and K-cup pods, offering ultimate flexibility for households with different coffee preferences. The CFP 301 boasts an impressive array of brew sizes, from a single cup to a full 12-cup carafe. I found this particularly useful when hosting guests, as I could easily switch between brewing a pot for everyone or a single cup for myself. The independent hot water system is another standout feature, allowing you to quickly prepare tea, oatmeal, or instant soups without affecting your coffee. One of my favorite aspects of this machine is the thermal flavor extraction technology. It automatically adjusts the bloom time, saturation, and temperature to bring out the best flavor from your coffee. I noticed a significant improvement in taste compared to my old drip machine, especially with lighter roasts. The CFP 301 also offers multiple brew styles, including classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. I particularly enjoyed the over ice function for making smooth, full-flavored iced coffee that wasn't watered down. The specialty brew, while not true espresso, produces a concentrated coffee that works well in milk-based drinks. While I appreciate the versatility of the K-Cup compatibility, I did find that the coffee from grounds was generally superior in taste. However, the convenience of pods for busy mornings can't be overstated. Overall, the CFP 301 is a great choice for households that want options without sacrificing quality. 4. Ninja Programmable XL 14 Cup Coffee Maker Pro ECM 201. This machine is perfect for those who need to brew large quantities of coffee without compromising on flavor or convenience. The standout feature of the DCM 201 is its impressive 14-cup capacity. I put this to the test during a family gathering and was able to keep everyone caffeinated with ease. The carafe is well designed, pouring smoothly without drips or spills, which is a small but significant detail when you're serving a crowd. One feature I particularly appreciated was the small batch function. Despite its large capacity, the DCM 201 can brew as little as 1 to 4 cups without losing flavor quality. This adaptability makes it suitable for both daily use and entertaining. The programmable delay brew function is a lifesaver for busy mornings. I loved waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee without having to fumble with the machine before my first cup. The adjustable warming plate is another thoughtful touch, allowing you to keep your coffee at the perfect temperature for up to 4 hours. The DCM 201 also offers 2 brew strengths, classic and rich. While not as varied as some of Ninja's more advanced models, I found these options sufficient for most coffee drinkers. The Rich Brew, in particular, produces a bold, flavorful cup that rivals more expensive machines. One minor drawback is the size of the machine. It has a larger footprint than some other models due to its capacity. However, if you frequently need to brew large quantities of coffee, the trade-off is well worth it. Overall, the DCM 201 is a reliable, high-capacity machine that delivers consistent results. 3. Ninja C251 Programmable Coffee Maker. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ninja C251 Programmable Coffee Maker. This machine strikes a great balance between simplicity and functionality, making it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, no-fuss coffee maker. The C251 features a classic design with modern touches. I particularly appreciated the removable water reservoir, which made filling and cleaning a breeze. The wide mouth of the reservoir also means less chance of spills when filling, a small but significant detail in my book. One of the standout features of this machine is its advanced boiler. This technology ensures that your coffee is always brewed at the optimal temperature, resulting in a consistently flavorful cup. I noticed a marked improvement in taste compared to my old drip machine, especially with medium and dark roasts. The C251 offers 2 brew strengths, classic and rich. While not as varied as some of Ninja's more advanced models, I found these options sufficient for most daily coffee drinkers. The Rich Brew, in particular, produces a bold, satisfying cup that's perfect for those mornings when you need an extra kick. The programmable delay brew function is another feature I found incredibly useful. Being able to set the machine to brew just before I wake up meant I could start my day with a fresh pot of coffee without any extra effort. The adjustable warming plate is also a nice touch, allowing you to keep your coffee at the perfect temperature for up to 4 hours without over-extracting or burning. While the C251 doesn't have some of the more advanced features of higher-end models, like a built-in frother or specialty brew options, it excels at its primary function, brewing a great pot of coffee. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use machine that consistently delivers excellent drip coffee, the C251 is an excellent choice. 2. Ninja CP307 Tea and Coffee Maker. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ninja CP307 Tea and Coffee Maker. This versatile machine is a game changer for households that love both coffee and tea, offering the ability to brew both beverages to perfection. The CP307 features Ninja's Auto IQ One-Touch Intelligence technology, which optimizes brewing parameters based on your chosen beverage. I was impressed by how well it handled different types of coffee and tea, from delicate green teas to robust dark roast coffees. The machine recognizes the basket you've inserted, coffee or tea, and adjusts accordingly, taking the guesswork out of brewing. One of my favorite features is the built-in frother. It quickly heats and froths milk for lattes and cappuccinos, and can even create cold foam for iced drinks. I found it easy to use and clean, and it produced consistently silky foam that rivaled my local coffee shop. The CP307 offers an impressive array of brew styles and sizes. For coffee, you can choose from classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty brews. The tea options include hot and cold brew for herbal, black, oolong, white, and green teas. I particularly enjoyed the cold brew function, which produced smooth, less acidic coffee in just 10 to 15 minutes, a fraction of the time traditional cold brew takes. Another standout feature is the thermal carafe. Unlike glass carafes with warming plates, the thermal carafe keeps your beverage hot for hours without affecting the flavor. I found this especially useful when brewing a pot to enjoy throughout the morning. While the CP307 is on the pricier side, its versatility and performance make it worth the investment for households that enjoy both coffee and tea. The ability to brew everything from a simple cup of drip coffee to a fancy latte or a perfect pot of tea all in one machine is truly impressive. One. Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System, CFN 601. And now for our top pick, the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista System, CFN 601. This machine is the crown jewel of Ninja's coffee maker lineup, offering true espresso capabilities alongside drip coffee and specialty drinks. The CFN 601 stands out with its 19-bar pressure system, capable of producing authentic espresso with a rich crema. I was skeptical at first, but after pulling several shots, I can confidently say this machine delivers espresso that rivals much more expensive machines. The flavor is rich and complex, and the crema is thick and persistent. One of the most impressive features is the automatic milk frother. Unlike many home espresso machines that require manual frothing, the CFN 601 does all the work for you. You can choose from 4 types of froth: steamed, microfoam, cappuccino style, or cold foam, and the machine delivers perfect results every time. I was particularly impressed with the microfoam setting, which allowed me to create latte art just like a professional barista. The CFN 601 doesn't stop at espresso. It also functions as a full-featured drip coffee maker, with the ability to brew everything from a single cup to a full carafe. The thermal flavor extraction technology ensures optimal flavor regardless of the brew size or style. I found the drip coffee to be consistently excellent, with a clean, balanced flavor that rivaled pour-over methods. Another standout feature is the intuitive digital display. It guides you through the brewing process, suggesting grind sizes and providing clear instructions for each drink type. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of brewing, making it easy for even novice users to create cafe-quality drinks at home. While the CFN 601 is the most expensive machine in our lineup, its versatility and performance justify the price. Whether you're craving a simple cup of drip coffee, a rich shot of espresso, or a fancy latte, this machine can do it all and do it well. For coffee enthusiasts who want the full cafe experience at home, the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista system is hard to beat. Final thought. And there you have it, coffee lovers. Our countdown of the top 6 Ninja coffee makers. From simple programmable brewers to advanced espresso systems, Ninja offers a machine for every coffee preference and skill level. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a dedicated enthusiast, there's a Ninja coffee maker that can elevate your home brewing experience. So why settle for mediocre coffee when you can have barista quality drinks at the touch of a button? Upgrade your morning routine with a Ninja coffee maker and taste the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!